Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are going to be looking at MicroStrategy stock. This one today is down by 3.6%. This takes us down $11. There's a lot of questions now to ask. I'm going to be giving you some of my personal thoughts over the course of this video. If it sounds good, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Although I'd like you to remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now you can clearly see the stock here is now dropping. Unfortunately, we're dropping out of levels of support around the 320s, around the high teens, and of course you can now see it dropping into the 308 range at the time of filming. Now the question on my mind of where we go is where we go next, right? You are of course seeing the stock unfortunately drop out of these key levels. At the same time, you're seeing the rate of decline over the course of today slow somewhat. Bringing up the 5-day chart, you can see that major drop off in the morning with actually a little bit of a consolidation over the course of the day. Now, I do think it is unlikely, but if you're able to see supports at 304.86, maybe 302, potentially 302.50, that could be a strong level to watch. Now, what I think is more realistic, especially zooming out onto the charts, is the potential of hitting levels lower. I think you're now looking to potentially retouch on the 290 level. I think more realistically, the 300 level is something that we do have the expectation of hitting. Now, we're seeing the RSI, especially on the past month now, cooling right off. We are not yet on the month in the red, or perhaps in the oversold range, I should say, but we are very low, right? We're very much scraping on that. So a continued rate of decline could indicate that could be something incoming. But for me personally, I am very cautious at the minute. I think this wick to the downside that we've seen over the last day or so does indicate that potential of at least touching the 301 range, the potential of touching the 290 range, the 298 range, I should say, and the potential 91 range. So all of this is to watch out for, guys. If anything, I would be a lot more cautious about downside potential right now than the upside, but that is of course just my personal thoughts and opinions. Now, of course, as time goes on, this may change, but I think right now the risk is relatively high. And again, if this bottom holds up, then we're in a very different story, right? If we see consolidation into the early part of next week, then we're also on a very different page. But for now, I am a little bit cautious, and that is just my personal thoughts. I'd love to hear yours down below. Thank you for your time, guys, and goodbye for now.